Salam everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided sharing a quick Rasmalai recipe with you guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video. We'll start by taking 1.5 liters of milk and let it boil, then add in half cup of sugar and keep stirring until the sugar gets dissolved. When the sugar gets dissolved, leave the milk on medium flame. Take 2 eggs and beat them well. Here I took 150 grams of Rasmalai mix. Next you can add in 8 tablespoons of oil or ghee and mix it well. A lot of people make mistake that they add in all of the ingredients at the same time and mix them together. This way the balls break when you add them to the milk. Make sure that you avoid the mistake. Now add in 9 tablespoons of the beaten eggs and mix well. When the mixture gets prepared, make balls and keep adding them to the milk. Make sure that you mix with light hands, otherwise you'll make GHEE instead of Rasmalai. That's it for today. If you guys watch my videos, please subscribe to my channel and turn the black thumb blue. I'll see you in my next recipe. Till then, take care and have a good day.